Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your e-classes. I, Nikita Kain, your computer teacher, is back again with a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, Uses of a Computer. Before starting this chapter, let us have a quick recap of previous chapter. In previous chapter, you studied that there are two types of things, natural things and man-made things. All machines are man-made things, but all man-made things are not machines. Machines are man-made things which helps us in many ways. Computer is a smart machine which can help us in many ways. There are 4 types of computers: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer and microcomputer. In previous chapter, you studied that a computer is an electronic machine which helps us in many ways. In this chapter, you will learn about these uses of a computer in detail. You will learn how a computer helps us in solving sums, in drawing, in playing music, in playing games, in watching movies and in messaging. We will learn about these uses of a computer in detail in this chapter. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a picture of a computer. Do you know what it can do for you? Yes, it can help you in many ways. It is a very useful machine which helps us to do many tasks. Now let us study about these uses of computer in detail. First, solving sums. A computer can solve sums for you. It is very fast in performing calculations. It means, suppose if you want to multiply two numbers, what you have to do is, you have to enter those two numbers using your keyboard. Also, you have to insert that multiplication symbol from the keyboard. After that, computer will perform the calculation and will provide you the required output. Second, drawing. A computer can draw for you. You can draw and paint pictures on computers. Greeting cards can also be made by using mouse. It means if you want to draw and paint pictures on computer, you can do so by using paint program available in your computers. Similarly, greeting cards can also be made by using mouse. Computer animation is the method of making films, computer games, etc. with pictures or models that appear to move. It means various films, various computer games, etc. with pictures or models that appear to move on the screen. They are made with a method, and that method is called computer animation. Third, playing music. A computer can play music for you. You can listen to various kinds of sounds, music and songs, etc. For this, speakers or headphones are required. It means if you want to listen various sound or music or different songs on your computer system, you can do so by using a headphone or speakers. Fourth, playing games. A computer can play games with you. You can play different games on computer like shooting, football, car racing, chess, etc. It means if you want to play video games on your computer system, you can even install your own games on your device, or you can even play the games which are available in the accessories program of your computer system. Joystick is a device which is used for playing games on a computer. It also controls the movement on a computer. Fifth, watching movies. A computer can show you movies. You can watch movies on a computer like Batman, Aladdin, My Friend Ganesha, etc. It means like games, you can even install your favorite movies on your computer system and can watch them anytime you wish using Windows Media Player software. Sixth, messaging. We all use mobile phones in our daily life. We use mobile phones to send and receive messages from others. In this way, we can communicate with anyone at any place and at any time. Similarly, a computer can send and receive messages too. With the help of internet, we can send or receive messages to or from your friends and relatives anywhere in the world within a few seconds. It means if your computer is having internet facility, with the help of this facility, we can send messages to our friends and relatives and receive their messages anywhere in the world within few seconds. Seventh, helping at school. A computer can help you at school. Teachers can use computers to teach, to prepare test papers and report cards. It means when you will visit your computer laboratory, you will see how your teachers uses computers to teach you, to prepare test papers and your report cards. This is how computers helps us at school. And last is helping at home. A computer can help you at home. You can do your homework and type letters using a computer. It can also help you to make projects and can provide pictures required for your work. It means you can complete your homework and even type letters using a computer at your home. It can also help you by providing pictures which are required for your projects and can help to complete those projects also. So students, do you know where computers are being used nowadays? Yes, computers are used in schools, colleges, banks, offices, hotels, and at many other places. Let us revise what we have studied in this chapter today. We studied that computer can do calculations very quickly. It means computers helps us to solve sums by doing calculations very quickly. Second, we can draw and paint pictures on computer. It means a computer helps us to draw and paint pictures by using paint program. Third, we can play different games on a computer. It means we can play games on a computer by using a device called joystick. Fourth, we can send and receive messages through computers. It means computers are used to send and receive messages by using internet facility. Fifth, computers can be used by teachers to educate, to prepare test papers and report cards. It means teachers uses computers to prepare test papers, to educate students and to prepare their report cards. Last, today computers are used at various places like schools, colleges, institutes, banks, offices, hotels, etc. After completing the reading and explanation of the chapter, it is now time for solving some exercises. So let us start with first exercise, that is answer the following questions. First question, how can a computer help you in your studies? The answer is we can do our homework using a computer. Second, in what way is a computer helpful to teachers? The answer is teachers can use computers to teach, to prepare test papers and report cards. Third, what is a joystick? The answer is it is a device used for controlling movements on a computer. It is used for playing games. Fourth, what is computer animation? The answer is it is the method of making films, games, etc. with pictures or models that appear to move. The last question is how can a computer entertain you? And the answer is a computer can entertain us by playing games and playing music. Second exercise, write T for true and F for false. First statement, we cannot draw pictures on a computer. This statement is false. Second, computers cannot do basic calculations. This statement is also false. Third, computers can be used to listen to music. Yes, the answer is true. Fourth, computers are used in banks. Yes, the answer is true. Last, we cannot watch movies on a computer. This statement is false. Third exercise, fill in the blanks. First, computer can solve dash very quickly. The answer is sums. Second, dash can be made on a computer. The answer is greeting cards. Third, computers can be used to play dash. The answer is games. Fourth, we can watch dash on a computer. The answer is movies. And last, computers can also be used to listen to dash. The answer is music. After explaining the exercises also, it is time for some homework now. Your homework is to read the chapter carefully again and do the given exercises in your computer notebook neatly. All these exercises will be given in your class WhatsApp group also to complete the work. With this, our chapter number 2, Uses of a Computer, is completed. We will meet again soon in our next class. Till then, complete your homework, stay safe and stay home. Thank you.